Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can sign up to Wix's affiliate program. Google search for Wix affiliate and we want to click on the first link. So once we have selected this first link, we will see this blue button that says start earning now. Once we click on it, it will take us to another page which says become a Wix affiliate today. I'm going to explain how you can fill this in. So basically the first steps are pretty self-explanatory. Your first and last name, company name. If you have a company, if you don't have a company, you can just write a dash and then people or the people at Wix will know that you don't own a company or don't work for a company. Your email address is very important because they will need to send you a confirmation link if you got accepted into the affiliate program or not. Address, this is your own personal address. The one with the asterisk here means that it's mandatory to fill in. The apartment/suite number is not mandatory. Your city is also mandatory, as well as your country. You have to select which country you are in, and some countries might not actually be accepted into the affiliate program. Your state/province, again, you have to select where you are from and you have to fill in your zip code here, as well as your phone number. Now, site information, this is arguably the most important part because you will need to supply or actually show them where you will advertise Wix. So for example, you have a YouTube channel. You will write your YouTube channel name here and provide the URL, which means link, in this slot. And you have to check this, my site does not contain abusive content, because it's against their policies. If you have an Instagram page, you will repeat the same thing. So you want to write your Instagram handle here and give them the link right here. So basically you have to explain affiliate name. You don't have to fill this in. It doesn't allow you to actually fill this in. So select an option. Were you previously a Wix affiliate? I'm going to assume that you haven't, so I'm going to check no. And you need to check this. I agree with the terms and conditions. So after you have filled all of this information in, then you will click on submit and they will basically get back to you through your email, whether you have been accepted or not. It can take up to a few days. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.